The bright orange is dates? The little bright orange flowers?
Up there, I see them over here.
We are in Santiago, kind of close to Chada Tenda. There's some animals living in there, I think. But look at this. Beautiful palms. There's the ocean right there. Look at this tree. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those flowers. It's bright, bright, bright orange. I don't know if you can see the color. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. You know, I just love to look at natural wonders, nature, God's creation. See a lot of holes here. I don't know what's up with the holes. Anybody know what's up with these holes? Is there something gonna climb out of there? Something got dug up out of here. All right, let's go figure this out. We're about to have lunch. We just ministered at Chada Tenda. It was a good showing. Here's the wood stacked, ready for the fire. I don't know what's up with all these little holes everywhere. This is Cape Verde Islands. There's Tony the Pina. Oh, and I found out what the holes were. They're from crab holes. They call the crabs crack. And the crabs come out at night, and the locals say that they bite very, very hard. So stay away from them things at night. It's been a blessing. This whole day has been a blessing. We started out with the devotional in the morning. Great time, great word, great worship. Right in Tarafal on the tea house, right overlooking the water from Hotel Vista Mar is where we were staying at. Right up on the balcony, ocean breeze, hear the waves crashing. The beach that was closest to us was Presidente Beach, or Praia de Presidente. See if I can make it with the rest of the group. They built that little raft. He's got a fish net in there. Kasi pode ele find fish. Ang último fishing to salta ali. All right, they're dragging a net to try to catch fish in there. Look at them. These kids are learning young how to fish, and it looks like they already have some success. What a beautiful place to stop and have lunch between communities. The fishermen are pushing their boat to shore.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
The water level rose. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes. This video reminds me of the importance of taking the time out to stop, rest, and refresh before your next task. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. God bless you.